Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Bitrix24 to Twilio for inbound lead text routing step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Bitrix24 account. Navigate to the CRM section from the main menu. Click on the Settings option in the CRM tools. Select webhooks from the list of options available. In a new tab, open your Twilio console by logging into your Twilio account. Locate and select the Phone Numbers tab in the Twilio dashboard. Choose the phone number you want to use for text routing. Scroll down to the Messaging section. In the A Message Comes In field, you will enter your Bitrix24 webhook URL later. Now, go back to your Bitrix24 account. Click on the Add Webhook button. Select Inbound Webhook from the options. Name your webhook appropriately, such as Twilio SMS to CRM. Under Event, choose the relevant event type you need, like SMS received. In the URL field, enter the URL that Twilio will use to communicate with Bitrix24. Customize the access settings as per your requirements. Once completed, save your changes and copy the generated URL. Return to your Twilio console. In the A Message Comes In field, paste the Bitrix24 webhook URL you just copied. Set the request method to post. Save the changes in Twilio. Now, return to Bitrix24 to test your newly configured webhook. Send a test SMS to the Twilio number you have set up. Monitor the CRM in Bitrix24 for the incoming lead text. Check if the incoming message details have been logged appropriately. Adjust any settings if necessary to ensure proper lead routing. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Bitrix24 to Twilio for inbound lead text routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.